Did you know the most famous story about Emperor Nero is completely fake? When the Great Fire of Rome erupted in 64 AD, everyone says Nero played his fiddle while the city burned. But here's the truth. Nero wasn't even in Rome when the flames started. He was 35 miles away in Antium when news reached him about the disaster. The emperor immediately rushed back to help his people. He opened his own palace doors to house thousands of homeless refugees. He organized massive relief efforts and even grabbed buckets to fight the flames himself. So where did the fiddle story come from? His political enemies made it up years later. But Nero did make one huge mistake. After the fire destroyed 10 of Rome's 14 districts, he built a massive golden palace on the cleared land. Romans became suspicious. Did their emperor start the fire on purpose? To save himself, Nero needed someone to blame. He chose the Christians. What followed was their first major persecution. Crucifixions filled the streets. Some Christians were even turned into human torches to light his garden parties.